What's up everybody, John from Florida Moto Talk coming at you again with another video. This one's going to be short and sweet. Let's get right to it. Alright, just got the fairings back from paint. Last night, got them home after work, and they came out great. I just went with a flat black with a pearl, or like a pearly kind of flake to match the OEM gas tank, and man, they came out so good. It's early in the morning, so the sun's not quite out yet, but as you can tell, I mean, they're super, it's like a very nice, deep, like rich black with like that glittery flake in it. But I haven't even wiped these down or cleaned them, anything, and they are popping right now. I am very excited to get these on the bike. I'm still waiting on my wheels to come back. They're probably already done, actually. I just need to go pick them up, but wheels are at the powder coat shop. But man, these look great. Try to find some light, a little bit better light. I mean, you see it. That looks dang near OEM to me. It's great. I love it. You can't really see the flake in it right now. I can see it. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but look at that. Gloss black. Can't wait to get these on the bike. Can't wait to get the wheels back. And then my buddy from 77 Decals, who we promote on the channel all the time, he's putting together a custom decal kit for me. Also waiting on that, but that's gonna be, it's all gonna come together real nice once it's done. But I'm going to clean the bike up a little bit, change the oil, and then probably go ahead and throw those new fairings on there, and let's see how it comes out. Yeah, I forgot to give a shout out to my buddy Nitro Inc. over here in Tallahassee. If you do need to get some paint done, go check him out. Turnaround time was quick, even over the holidays. Price was great. Obviously the quality was great too. They also needed a couple repairs that he went ahead and hooked up for me. But yeah, Nitro Inc. over in Tallahassee. Check him out. Great work. same old bike, couple cosmetic upgrades. Let's talk about it. So as you can see, my bike looks just a little bit different. When I originally bought this thing a couple years ago, it was all gray with the highlighter yellow wheels, and I wanted to switch it up, make it a little bit more unique, and this is how it turned out. As far as the decals, the bro over at 77 Decals went crazy on this kit. I pretty much came to him with an idea. I said, you know, I want to do something with teal and something with the black, and we talked, and I pretty much just gave him just full creative control. I was like, this is the colors I'm thinking of, but hey, you're the artist here, so just you know, do your thing, make it look good. And this is how it turned out. I love it. The pink just fits so well with the teal, and then I also have a teal front wheel as well. It's not mounted. I got to put it back together. The 77 Decals went absolutely crazy with the kit. And it took him a while to do it. He doesn't usually do big bikes. He specializes in the Grom and mini bike kits. But for this one, he didn't have the template for it. So each panel that he made on this bike, he had to draw it, and then he had to go through a painstaking process of printing the pieces and then fitting them to each individual panel on the bike. And it was just a really long process, but you see how much work he put into it, how methodical he was with it. I couldn't do it, but once again, just printed each individual piece to fit the contours on the bike, and yeah, it just came out great. But shout out to the big homie over at 77 Decals. I think he's about to start doing big bikes now, so y'all hit him up. Of course, we dropped the precision decal in there. Pirelli, started running Pirellis this year. But it just looks great. Absolutely great. So 77 Decals did the entire decals for the bike, completely custom. The painter was a buddy of mine who runs Nitro Ink up here in Tallahassee, North Florida. And he did great work with it. I brought it to him. I said, hey, I want to match the fairings to the OEM tank, this black that has this flake in it right here. He said, I got you. Dropped it off. A couple days later, got it back. Looks great. Looks like OEM fairings on this thing now. I mean, he did great work. Absolutely ridiculous. So check him out, Nitro Ink, North Florida. If you need to get anything painted, he does bikes, cars, what have you. He can paint it and it'll look good. And then after that, I got my wheels done. So Rocket Powder Coating here in Tallahassee as well did these wheels, and I've always worked with them. They've done car wheels for me in the past, but never a color this unique. This color is actually pearled turquoise in powder coat, and they had never sprayed this color either, so we were both curious about how it would come out. But the pictures really didn't do it justice. I'm sure the video doesn't do it a whole lot of justice either, but pearled turquoise, and it looks great. And I also brought 77 Decals the wheels, and that's how he was able to match the turquoise accents in the decal kit to the wheels, because he had the wheels and he did his thing. But if you need to get anything powder coated, Rocket Powder Coating, they do great work every single time. I've never had an issue with them. Good pricing and everything. So 77 Decals for the kit, Rocket Powder Coating for the wheels, and then Nitro Ink repainted the bike in this glossy black with the flake to match the OEM tank. So all cosmetic upgrades this off season, nothing mechanical. The bike didn't need anything. I mean, it's a Kawasaki, it's reliable. All I really needed to do was just change the fluids, which I did. Brake fluid, coolant, oil filter, all the basic stuff. Checked it over real good. She's good to go. I plan to get it out this weekend with Precision at Jennings GP, but I couldn't make it. But my boy Tristan's gonna be out there tearing it up. But the next time I'll definitely be out there showcasing this bad boy, shaking it down, making sure we're good to go. But that Kawasaki reliability, I mean, this bike it's been a turnkey bike the entire time I've had it. She just needed minor upkeep, and that's where we're at now. But I can't wait to race this thing. Can't wait to get out there and show it off. Oh, and my favorite part, custom decal with the nameplate, complete with spawn. Absolutely dope. Tell me that's not dope. I love it. But y'all know how it goes. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think about the bike, and we will see you on the next one. Almost forgot. One more thing. 77 Decals is doing race number plates. The quality on this thing so much better than what I previously had on there. But custom race number plates, hit them up. You need that white plate, you need that yellow plate, it don't matter. 77decals.com. Get your number plates. We're legal, of course.